mother-in-law's having a hard time walking on these pavers, or got a root running through right here. I'll show you, give you a better bird's eye view. Okay. So we're going to get this straightened out. Stay tuned. Alright, this is where the root lies. Right there. Okay. Going to cut the root. That's still part of the tree, but we have to cut the part of that. Alright, okay. Maybe I can do something with this. My wood working. That could be a pretty unique project. Now, let's get back to removing these tapes. Putting them back to the design using these white ones. Friend helping me.
want more signers on
Yeah, you could probably level that out there. Just level that out. It should looks like it should work.
Get it on the corner.
Corner, middle, wherever it works. Just jam it under there.
I guess you gotta get one at a time, huh?
Yeah, just jam it under there. Just jam right underneath the edge.
Well, I don't want to break the what do you call it?
You won't. There you go. Good job. Excellent.
Time I ever noticed that.
What's that, Al?
The corners on the brick.
Or as what?
No.
Chipped?
Well, I thought they were chipped that way.
It is. They are.
No, because
But they're flat on purpose?
it's not chipped.
They were manufacturing flat, or they were cut. They might have cut them. All right. Got her done. Got her done. All right.
Pull that down a little bit.
Yeah, we want to fill that in. Need to fill this in so we can get that sloped and packed. Okay. Well, thank you for watching, and thank you for being here. Tell your friends about my channel. You know, if they have home projects, summer's coming up, spring's on its way, here in California anyway. But yeah, let your friends know. If you will, help me out. And like I always say, if there's anything I can help you with on a project that you're working on, just let me know. More than happy to share with you and help you out. Alright. Okay. Didn't realize that camera was turned. Now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen up this soil. But first we need to check and see how this how these pavers are going to fall in place here. Alright, looks like I need to raise that a little bit, get rid of this lip. Alright. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, I'm setting this first course and I'm using some scrap tile, alright, because it needs to be running at an angle and it needs to be solid and not settle, and that will help to prevent it and raise it up. Okay, and we're right here. Okay, so that's about perfect. Getting that first row course set, just like if you were tiling. Alright, get these pavers leveled out. Put some dirt in here. Okay. Want it to slope like a ramp. Okay. And right. Nice. Okay. Now, this is like tiling, very similar to tiling. Some of the same principles apply actually. This is like your thin set, the dirt, the loose dirt's like your thin set. It levels it and helps it to be level and holds it in place. Okay.
More dirt.
Yeah. Yeah, now if you want to give me some more dirt, it'd be good. Hey, that's a little low there. Okay, some hollow spots there. Okay. It's been a long time and needing to be done. My mother-in-law's needing this to be level, and it needed to be done anyway. It just wasn't a priority right now because I've got stuff in the house finished, like that bathroom sink. Getting the marble countertop in, that'll be next. That'll be the next video, marble countertop. Alright, now that should go in there nicely. Okay, now I just kind of, just like tile, just like you were tiling, take it down. Okay. And I got it. Okay. Down in there at the same level. Alright, get that cleared out there. Alright, now. Okay, there we have it. Nice. Stick that underneath that corner.